Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you with my unboxing of the Cafe Papershire kit. So this kit is, I believe, the October kit, and I was really excited for this one because I love Papershire art, and this collab I knew it was going to be amazing, and they did not disappoint. So let me open this beautiful box and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, so here's the kit, and this time around we have a big surprise. This is not usually something that Villabeauttiful does every time, but definitely it was the right time to do because of this collab. So Papeshire is a shop located in England. I'm not sure exactly where in England, but she designs the most beautiful flat lays, and she also has a passion for coffee, so she's known for those two things. And when the shop Villabeauttiful and Papershire decided to do a collab, of course they would have to do something coffee related. That's why the theme is Cafe Papershire, so absolutely appropriate. You have this beautiful tumbler with Zenny's artwork and gold and Tiffany's little girl here, and it's in pink, of course, and it's just everything that I would expect it to be. So this is BPA free for cold and hot beverages. The temperature is between -10 +10 Celsius. It's not dishwasher safe and it's not microwave safe, but you can definitely put a lot of coffee on this one. So this is probably gonna be my coffee mug for the rest of the time. And there was a little bit of an issue with the foiling. Tiffany did mention that right before the shipping started, but that's okay because it's not really, with all the delays and all of that, it's really hard to, and a big item, I'm sure it was really hard to understand the logistics, and do you have this remade, or how do you handle all of those things on the background. So I can appreciate the effort, and to be honest, there's like minimum issues with the foiling. I would still use this. I will still use this from tomorrow onwards. I'm gonna give it a wash and drink my coffee, or my ice cold coffee, or whatever I want. So I'm really happy with that. It has the little steam thing here on the top, so you can leave the steam if it's a hot drink, you leave the steam to come out so you don't burn yourself. But then she also came up with the normal kit kind of materials and crafts and items. So you have this beautiful envelope, this plastic envelope with the design of all of Zenny's beautiful artwork. So it's coffee inspired, and it says just need coffee, mocha, latte, with all of the cupcakes, donuts and coffee mugs that you can think of. And I have to say that I absolutely love it. Once you open it up, I'll get everything out. Once you open it up, you get all of the usual goodies. And I got the paper pack as well. So let me put everything in perspective, and yeah, I guess that is, oh yes it is. So the first thing I want to show is the coffee journal. So coffee, noun, a liquid that smells like fresh ground heaven. And that is so true. And you have Zenny's artwork, and on the back you have a menu card with all of the items in this kit. So let me unwrap everything here and I'll get back to you shortly. So the first item I want to show you is the sticky note. So it says check it off with your checklist circles and some lines for you to write it down. It's around about 50, possibly 50 or more sheets, and it's a simple design, but this definitely works. So that's going to my planner straight away. Then you have the Dangle Charms, and I have to say I've never been so happy to get charms like this. I usually don't use paper clips or charms on my planner because I don't like the dangling bit of it. It's just too much for me, but I can definitely use these functionally. So the first one is this coffee cup, and it's just so cute. The hardware is a black gunmetal kind of hardware, and that definitely won't come off easy enough. The second one is this beautiful planner, and I'm not sure the camera will capture it, but it has some glitter on the white part of the planner, and it's a very matte, subdued pink, as well as some latte kind of color. And I am here for these. The other staple now, I should say, for Tiffany's kids are the transparent sticky stickers and cards. So you have the stickers, so you have the transparent bar stickers, you have your transparent flags, arrows, squares and stars. Then you have checklists, hearts, little flags, asterisks, and I don't know what shape is this, but it is. You have the transparent icon sheets, so you have miscellaneous icons, and they're really tiny, great to use on monthly planners, or if you have a smaller planner like a pocket. These are corner stickers. I am a sucker for corner stickers. I love them. Word stickers, so you have several word stickers. They are all in transparent sticker paper, like I mentioned, and these are the washi strips. So this is great for bourgeois planning as well, or for a pocket size, for example. And then you have transparent cards, and oh, okay, I know what you mean. So coffee planners and pretty pens. Fueled by coffee. You have the artwork from Sammie, and then you have this one, which is a flat lay, and she's very famous for her flat lay. So again, these will probably go into my planner straight away. Another thing that has become some sort of staple on her kits are the transparent page flags, and on this one you have this beautiful coffee greenish kind of foil on the background, and you have all of these perfect color of page flags. This black one, I don't think you can actually write anything on it, but you can definitely mark this or use this as a marker on your calendar, on your monthly, or even do a little tab on your planner with these. I use these usually on my albums, sticker albums, to mark down, and I put an icon here to mark down what I am, what session of my album that is. And again, this is the most satisfying part, just taking these sticky, plasticky things. I love it. The other thing I want to show is the Notepad. So the Notepad took a little bit of a downfall in transit. That's expected. So the Notepad is like this. So you have a big, long notepad for you to write everything you need, and it's in gold foil, or pretty much use this as deco on your planner as well, either functionally or decorative. It's a great way and a great item to have. Again, you have the coffee, that journaling card that I showed beforehand, and it's a favorite. This time she also included a little pouch, a canvas pouch, and you have Zenny's artwork on the front and on the back, and it's great to store pens with gold hardware. Really simple but really effective, and I believe this material is water resistant, but don't quote me on that. You have your BB sticker kit, and as you know, I usually hoard these for about a year before I use them. But let me zoom you out, and you have your little sheet of a decoration stickers, of deco stickers, and then you have all of the full boxes, half boxes, and everything else that is included. And the colors are just absolutely stunning, very nude, very on trend, I'd like to say. The font that they used here is amazing. The deco again, the flat lace and everything that Zenny does, her artwork, and it's really inspiring. I really love and appreciate her artwork. Again, this is just one of my favorite kits to date, and I'm really happy how this turned out. So on the back you have a summary of all of the sheets that are included in this kit, and it's definitely gonna be great to use it. These are the papers. I thought at the time that I didn't get the papers, but I guess I did because they're here. The papers also had a problem. She didn't get any foil or acetate, which in personal opinion, I'm disappointed. I always look forward to acetate and vellum, and this time you only have 6 papers like the normal papers that she does, so I wasn't happy about that, but that's okay. The colors and the patterns are usually the geometric or abstract kind of thing that Tiffany does. She doesn't usually includes forms or artwork that is actually visually recognizable easily. She does mostly just abstracts and patterns, but they're still pretty, they're still usable. I just wish we got, you know, the vellum and acetate, because I think they would be wonderful. Usually the star of the show for her kids are the pens, and although this pen is beautiful, in my opinion the star of the show this time is the washi, and I will show that in a minute. But let's talk about the pen. The pen has this latte color on the metal with gold accents, and the barrel has pink. I think that the only thing that I would change would be the pink crystals, because I just don't think it matches. So but then again, Tiffany got a release of Cafe Papershire pens or something like that. She released pens which actually complement the kit, and of course I got them. And they are absolutely beautiful. I don't have them with me because they are still in transit, but definitely can see them being paired with anything on this kit. They are pretty much mocha, latte, espresso kind of colors, and of course that will match this kit. You get the complimentary refill for your pen, and finally the star of the show, which is the washi. So you get the 5mm, which is, or yeah, 6 millimeters. Definitely not 15mm. It's just a thinner washi, which is just an abstract with the colorful background, the same color scheme of the kit with some splashes of gold foil. I'm not going to open that one, but this one I'm definitely opening because I cannot wait to see how beautiful this is. I don't think Zenny ever released washi herself from her shop, but this collab gives you an idea of how amazing that would be. So let's swatch this one, and it's all in gold. I'm so happy that they use gold instead of rose gold. I would have been really disappointed if it was rose gold. Oh, that is beautiful. And you can always use these page flags as a washi cutter. That's beautiful. Oh, look at that. So her coffee art throughout the entirety of the roll with this beautiful ombre background, and I'm here for it. I love this washi so much. And that is my unboxing of the Cafe Papershire collab with Shop Villabeauttiful. I was so excited when I got this kit, and I was counting the days to be able to ship this to me here in my home and receive it, and I'm really happy that I did. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so YouTube can let you know when I upload a new video. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Remember to stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and love your lottles. Bye!